The city of Surat, on the coast of western India, is the centre of the country's textile industry. Nearly 30 million metres of raw fabric are processed here daily in a multi-billion-dollar sector, and one that crucially depends on huge quantities of water. It's thought that India's textile industry uses more than 400 million gallons of water every day, and that's a big problem for megacities like Surat, where it's in short supply.
Basically, water is an essential commodity. So this being essential commodity, we have to be very wise on consuming this or using it. So conservation of this natural resource has to be there. Keeping that in view, adopting latest technology is must.
That's why the city authorities are now using the latest ABB flowmeters. In fact, new regulations mean that every business in Surat must have these smart meters installed on site, tracking exactly how much water is being consumed. In the old days, monitoring water usage depended on self-reporting, which could be unreliable. Now all the data is collated digitally and sent wirelessly to a smart centre at City Hall.
The industries are far away, but from this place we can find out, what is a flow every 15 minutes and what is the cumulative total quantity of water they have consumed. Now it will make us easy to control every industry, which otherwise was possible that they can take water other than municipal water, from tube well or other sources.
Here at the centre, water flow is tracked along with a raft of data from other parts of the city's infrastructure. It's a key plank in Surat's transition into a modern smart city. And the generation of big data is opening up new possibilities for further analysis and access.
So data presently is going to the central server, and future generation of fourth generation of Aquamaster is going to have facility where we can hook up the data to cloud, and from cloud it can be accessed anywhere in the world.
With a booming population and declining levels of groundwater, India is, say environmentalists, facing a water crisis. Now engineers and leaders are hopeful that innovative technology like these smart meters can help make India's cities smarter and more efficient for all its citizens.